My name is Santiago Restrepo. I'm from Medellin. I work in the City Hall. It's really an honor to be here learning to one of the best in government policy like is the Seoul government. The most impressive lesson, all of them. And it's really amazing being in the same classroom with the different teacher. And I realized that all the cities have the same problems. The difference is how you face that problem, and I think we learn some lessons here. I like to implement big data and open data strategy in my city because I think the data is the new oil. Finally, I want to say thank you to the team that made this an unforgettable experience. Thank you.
I'm Mengchen Cai. I'm from Taipei, Taiwan. I work in Taipei City Government. My first impression is the smart transportation system, which is a site visit, and it shows us about the smart transportation, about how to use the IoT to make the expressway much smoothly, smoother. Yeah. Actually, I'm very impressed of the smart transportation in Seoul. Actually, we have so much expressway in Taipei, but we don't have a accurate management system in like Seoul. So we want to implement that system as well as in Taipei, so that we can manage the transportation more smoothly. I want to know more about the Seoul government and more details about what you have done and the roadmap you have been. I appreciate that Seoul government provides this opportunity to let other cities to learn about new policies and share about with other cities.
My name is Nasser Shams. I'm from Iran, Shiraz Metropolitan, and I am director of the ICT organization of Shiraz Metropolitan. At first, I would like to thank to SHRDC for running this program and also to SMG. It's very good for me. I learned a lot of things and I met new content in e-government policy to adopt in our city. All of them is so important and all of them is so impressive for me. But I think the best and most impressive decision for me, was the 3.0 programs and the implementation of open data and e-governments and how we can establish new organization about smart cities and some projects and so on. I think the Seoul ITS, and now after this training course I have a clear and transparent image about e-governments and smart cities projects. Thank you.
My name is Katia Guaman Campos. I come from Quito, Ecuador. I work for the Ecuadorian Social Security Institute. I've been really motivated to come to this e-government training. First of all, to learn good governance and e-government model. We have a lot of good lectures, amazing lectures that we've been in. For example, one of those was the big data analysis. So it's been like really impressive how people can make this analysis to give more benefits for people. And I think all the participants and also me, we think this practice, this big data analysis, if we do in our cities, will be really important to help people to live in better conditions in our city, especially in the traffic and to benefit the transportation field. For me, this was a really very enriching experience to remember my whole life. Thank you for the opportunity.